Hey guys, we're up here. If you, it's really hard, but we're on a roof. The girls are over there on the sled, and the other girls are over there. Cookie and never mind. It's not Cookie. Scarlett and Jada are over there, and I'm on the roof right now. Hopefully nobody can see me. It's kind of lightly snowing, and it's really heavy. I mean, not really heavy, really windy, but it's really good, I guess. And if anybody sees us, we gotta hide. Red alert. I think that's all I had to say. Oh, and this, should we tell what we heard? Okay, so Scarlett and I heard while Jada was in the washroom in the house. Scarlett and I heard like this girl say, "Love you, bye." I'm pretty sure she was on the phone talking to somebody or something. And before that, earlier that, they were calling name, maybe a dog's lost or something, or maybe seeing a child that they haven't saw for a while, something like that, or really bad news. I just wanted to tell that. So I'm gonna take you guys over here.
Sorry guys, I'm struggling to get up.
She's really scared.
It's okay, Jesus Christ.
Oh, I don't like it over there. Oh, look at a sucker up here.
You done it! I'm here, guys.
Look at what I found. But it's open. I don't know if I should have it. I shouldn't.
So...
Look at what I found.
Oh, a free sucker.
Oh, but it's like melting or something.
There's someone. Good elbow.
It's kind of open, but I want it. But it's for the past
10 years.
Oh, okay. Well,
How did that get up here?
I put it here.
So guys, Jada made it up. Congratulations, Jada.
We should get down. We found the blue sled
We'll show
on
you
the
guys.
street. So the girls are down there on the sled.
They're just sitting on the sled.
Yeah.
They're not going down. I want to go build a fortress.
I'm gonna go sled.
I
I'll
want to
take
go
you.
near the edge. What if I jumped into their yard?
Oh my! You would never find a way down. Yeah.
Are they nice people?
I don't know. My dad knows them though. Okay. I think we have lots of good places now to make videos.
Real? I finally found out how to get on.
Okay.
Kind of scary. But you know what? Scarlett, you take my jacket in the yard.
You wanna go first? Sound like I said gopher. Okay. I got scary.
It's in the glove.
Can't show you pretty much anybody's property, but there's the gloves.
Well, they won't know.
Yeah, they don't know that we're doing this. We should have asked to go up here, but who cares? Okay, you could do it.
How do you get down from this?
It's so easy. You did it. Here, do you want this?
Yeah, I probably have to take it. I don't know how you're gonna get down without dropping it. Okay. Let's go into the yard. I need to take off my boots, sorry guys, but there's pricklies in them. My boots have pricklies.
Okay.
I just put the phone down. Just don't record it.
Okay. Here.
I didn't see them.
Oh, I have some in my boot too.
I hope I can see all
I think that's possible. That could be like a place where we just sit down. Here, I go.
the camera.
Yeah. Do you want it? Okay. Okay. Oh. It looks so big in the camera. Okay. Oh, wow. Good job. That's actually really deep.
Because I worked on it last time you were here when Jordan was here, remember?
Oh, yeah. Don't say names.
Yeah, this was one room, but she doesn't come here anymore. So now it's if we make it big enough, it's actually all of ours.
Yeah.
If I make this one,
Okay. This is how we spend our weekends at my dad's house. Okay. I could do this. Ooh.
here, I'll move the boat.
It scared me. Oops. What are you guys doing?
I'm trying to get her to, she's on phone.
Found this.
Who watched Moana?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Probably like everyone in the world.
Yeah. Well, that was kind of random.
I know. Because I was thinking, who likes to dance in the
Oh.
Do you know the song to Moana?
Yeah.
That Frankie place is amazing.
I know. I'd like to go there. Over there. No.
You what?
Well, actually, that was okay, but I got it in my face. Who wants more slushy? Okay. Whoa.
If your dad gives you $2 more, or if you had $2 more,
What?
if we have 25 cents left over, then we could all share a big froyo after the movie.
25 cents?
No, because I got $4.
Oh. What does a 25 cents help with for a froyo?
Froyos are, or if you have $2 more left over, or $3, or something like that.
Can you break it?
There's some
Okay.
money left over. Then, hey, we're planning a movie stuff, and we didn't even take pictures of it. But no matter what, we're going to that movie. What if you're late?
Oh, that's scaring
Go
me.
there at 7 and see. Do you take the kids, or should I take the kids with me on this way?
It doesn't matter. Do you want me to take? Do you want to take like one at a time?
Yeah, take one at a time.
Okay. I don't know where to put this. Actually, I know. Right here, on here. There, that's perfect.
Bring it. Yeah. A little more. Yeah.
Okay.
So deep.
There, perfect.
Okay.
here. Okay. Can you see? Is it showing you?
Yeah, it's showing me.
Okay. Into the unknown.
That was fun.
Wow.
You take Augie?
Yeah, just wait. I gotta take Hayes.
Wait. Maybe I can take Augie instead and get up.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, so you don't have to put it down.
Okay. Perfect. Just gotta take this stuff out. This, I don't know, go there. Are you okay? Scarlett, can you do that? Take Augie. Oh, great, a shoe. Oh, it's right there. Never mind. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna have fun. These girls should go to bed. Betty, bye. But whatever. Oh. Okay. So, we're there.
Sure.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that got in my eye. Whoa. Oh, sure. I'm just gonna go first by myself to see what it's like. That's good. I think we should go backwards so the snow doesn't come in easily.
What's gonna be like? I don't want to. Like that, or
Whenever I go to the movies, I see people, but I don't really want to sit by them.
you're like, come.
I know.
Like Lola for a fact.
Oh,
Or Maya. I mean, like, not Lola.
do you still have makeup on?
No.
Yeah, your face is shiny. It's right
Lola,
there.
sorry if I accidentally said that. I didn't mean to say that. But it did not mean to say Lola. I thought we were still
Oh.
That was good.
You said we're friends like on Wednesday. How could you already forget about that?
You go golfing?
Yeah, I am. I'm just gonna see if these people want to go by themselves. Okay. Are you ready? Get ready. 1, 2, set, go.
Go.
Whoa! You guys okay? You're all wet. Yeah, snowy. No, there's wetness in the plugging charger. Okay, well, you guys are better. Hopefully you're warmer now. Okay, now time to go.
Hopefully that sled at the bottom will help us. Like, the right thing.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to go, friend? I'm gonna sit like this. I don't feel safe sometimes. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are you on? 1, 2, 3. Go! 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 Ah! My eyes open and wide like. Oh, that just looks scary. Okay. So.
I'm gonna try to get out.
Okay.
Friend zone. Okay.
Okay.
Upside down.
Your hair?
He is upside down.
Oops. Okay.
Some of the video might be upside down.
Yeah, probably most of it. I'm gonna run down. Sorry. We're gonna try to make at least like one fun part in this video that's funny or something.
Should I make the fort deep? Can I help you? Or wide?
I'm gonna go check. Okay, you guys
Like all the
will be going in the front.
like all covered in.
Okay, here. Okay, that was better. Let's see how deep this is. It was deeper before.
You sure?
I feel like it. Maybe don't trust me because
Like one.
I might hit it on
I
myself.
think we're gonna have to go in with the shovel again. Wait.
Okay. Here we go. Here, I know where to put you guys. Once I go in. Okay. Okay. There, that's better. So you guys aren't so shaky. They're just coming up. If you...
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Some small stuff. No.
Oh, yeah. Found a bucket.
I don't really want to go in here now. Sage, could you pass the bucket?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a snow sculpture. What if it's poisonous?
Yeah, that can be true. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here and see if it's a good place so it's not all shaky. You're right there on top of the truck. Is that good enough? Oh, they could see you. I'm gonna go check with you. We'll be right back, Scarlett. Just wait. Never mind. Ooh, that scared me.
Was it long? And it kind of sounded like
Like her suspicious.
maybe her with Kimberly, but that's what I thought.
Oh,
That was my thought. I was like,
was there a stick there? It's like in the engine.
you sure it's a stick?
Yeah, stick.
Maybe leave it.
That's kind of weird. But I'm gonna put you guys back up here for better, forget what it's called, actually. For a better place to put you in for now. Okay. Get more over here. Okay, there, that's better. people walked by. I know them. Who are they? I didn't know their names. It's a boy and a girl. Ow. You okay?
Who's?
Scarlett.
Let's see if I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Any other mysterious thing in here? Oh, wait, we might be
and climb on sunny grain.
okay. Oh, there we are. Okay, we walk in here.
We walking. Oh shoot.
Oh, we're deep.
We talking. We walking. We
Wait,
walking.
guys, we might do a music video. It won't be the best, but it will be. Oh, here's something to listen to. No? See, you can't even get in.
It's a 5-month suspension.
Ooh!
No joke.
Whoa!
Did you go inside for a second? Get it cold. You're cold.
How?
My hands are getting cold. Well, the reason isn't working. Walking, talking, everybody doing everything.
Okay, I'm gonna go back inside. I want to have a cupcake?
Sure.
Me and my
Moriah.
friend.
I should do because you're better.
No, do okay.
We're not gonna do that yet. We're just
Okay.
grabbing the camera.
Okay.
Oh wow! I'm literally like.
Oh, what's that?
What was that? Voice. So me and my best friends hanging out though.
All night.
I wonder what time it is. But we have no anything.
Prison all night.
Why do you have gum in here? I'm gonna eat it. Okay. I'm eating Sage's gum.
Me and my best friend.
I just can't get it.
All night.
What works? What is it?
It's a and it's near 0, kind of. Okay.
Okay.
I just got it. Yeah, I actually turned it.
Something happened. Something happened.
How do you fix this?
Rip this out. Here, let's put it back in. Oh, take it out. Okay, that's a good idea too, Sage. The opposite. Let's get this out.
So just wait. We fold this. Because I see the folding part, and then lay it out. Then we cut it off.
Let's
That's what I was trying to get, and I messed it up. Messed it up real bad. Let me try.
You should have asked me.
Because you have long nails.
You want to try something?
Okay, did it.
You still gotta fix them.
We'll fix it inside. I'm gonna eat your gum. No, the camera's still playing.
I know. Also, good parts. At the point you're filming and you never get the good parts. Like when I fell.
What is it? I can't even see it. Sage, don't make the stroller climb the door.
It is.
Shove me out of the way. She shoved me out of the way. No, I'm joking. Say bye-bye to the lightness. Man, my best friend.
Okay.
All you need to do is pay for Sage. Congratulations. Yeah. Because me and Jid have free movie passes. And I bought mine.